In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the colors on your Squarespace site using the accordion aardvark theme. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to navigate the Squarespace platform and tweak your site's appearance to better fit your style or brand. Let's kick things off by heading over to the Squarespace homepage. You'll want to open your web browser and enter the URL for the web page we're focusing on. Once there, you'll obviously need to sign in using your credentials if you haven't already. It's straightforward, but make sure you're on the correct website to avoid any frustration later on. Now that you're on the Squarespace dashboard, the next thing you'll see is a variety of options that let you configure different aspects of your site. What you're going to do is locate and click on the edit button. It's usually nestled in an intuitive spot, but if you're having trouble finding it, take a moment to hover over the areas that respond to a mouse over. This usually brings up options that might not appear at first glance. After you click Edit, you'll get a new array of options. What we want is to dive a bit deeper, so the next step is to click on Edit Section. By editing sections, you gain control over individual parts of your web page, letting you make targeted changes without affecting other areas. Once you're editing a section, you'll notice a sidebar full of different customization tools. This is where you get the chance to really personalize your page. For today's focus, we're interested in colors. Go ahead and click on the colors option. At this point, you might feel a little overwhelmed by the choices, but take it slow. You can try different color schemes and see a live preview of how they look on your site right here in the editor. This is highly useful for ensuring the colors match your vision before committing to the change. You might be wondering what colors to choose. A general tip is to stay consistent with your brand's color palette if you have one. This will help in maintaining coherence and will be instantly recognizable to your returning visitors. Once you've picked a color you're satisfied with, make sure to observe how it interacts with other elements on the page. You want it to be harmonious, not jarring. Finally, don't forget this crucial step. Hit save to apply these changes to your live site. This ensures your hard work doesn't go to waste and your alterations are visible to your audience. And there you have it, a recently refreshed and personalized section of your Squarespace site. Customize as much or as little as you want, and don't hesitate to experiment within the editor. After all, it's a creative process. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing.